Ever thought about why the Golden Gate Bridge isn't actually golden? This iconic structure, one of the most recognized worldwide, doesn't strut a golden hue. Instead, it sports a vibrant red-orange color. This bold choice was no accident. The unique shade, known as International Orange, was designed to make the bridge stand out against the San Francisco skyline, and to ensure its visibility even in the dense fog that often blankets the Bay Area. So, the Golden Gate Bridge is not golden but a vibrant red-orange. Quite a twist, isn't it? Did you know that the Golden Gate Bridge is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world? This stunning creation isn't just a bridge. It's a symbol of beauty, innovation, and engineering prowess that has captured the world's attention. Imagine, if you will, the sheer effort and dedication that went into constructing this architectural marvel. Over a span of 4 years, builders, engineers, and architects worked tirelessly to bring this vision to life. Each tower of the bridge is a testament to meticulous attention to detail, with approximately 600,000 rivets ensuring its structural integrity. From the vibrant red-orange hue that sets it apart from any other bridge to its recognition as one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, the Golden Gate Bridge is indeed a marvel of the modern era. From its intricate engineering to its global fame, the Golden Gate Bridge truly captivates and amazes. Guess which is the most photographed bridge in the world? That's right, it's the Golden Gate Bridge. This iconic structure, with its vibrant red-orange hue and majestic towers, has become a favorite subject for both tourists and locals. It's not just a bridge, it's a work of art. Its breathtaking beauty can be captured from every angle, each photo revealing a new perspective. So next time you snap a photo of the Golden Gate Bridge, remember you're adding to the most photographed bridge in the world. Ready to uncover some hidden secrets of the iconic Golden Gate Bridge? Let's dive right in. Did you know that the vibrant orange-red hue of the Golden Gate Bridge isn't just for show? This unique color, known as International Orange, was chosen by architect Irving Morrow. This version is unlike any other, designed specifically for this suspension bridge. The color is a tad lighter than what you might see on an astronaut's spacesuit, and the paint is specially formulated to be rust-resistant against the salty spray of the water. Safety was also a key factor in the color choice. The bright orange makes the bridge more visible in the dense fog that frequently shrouds the San Francisco Bay. Now let's talk numbers. More than 2 billion cars have crossed the Golden Bridge, with the 1 billionth driver, Dr. Arthur Molinari, making his trip across on February 22, 1985. That's an awful lot of journeys, wouldn't you say? Moving on to a rather weighty matter. On May 24, 1987, San Francisco celebrated the bridge's Golden Jubilee. The city expected about 50,000 people to show up. Instead, they got between 750,000 to 1 million. Approximately 300,000 people crowded onto the bridge, weighing it down so much that it flattened and lowered by 7 feet. Speaking of withstand, did you know that the Golden Gate Bridge survived an earthquake even before it was completed? In June 1935, the South Tower swayed 16 feet from side to side during a strong earthquake. Talk about resilience. Lastly, our beloved bridge is no stranger to the silver screen. It's been featured in dozens of films, including James Bond's A View to a Kill and Rise of the Planet of the Apes. It seems directors love to reduce it to rubble, perhaps as a testament to its real-life strength and indestructibility. From its unique color to its Hollywood appearances, the Golden Gate Bridge holds many captivating secrets, making it a masterpiece that never ceases to amaze. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden secrets of the Golden Gate Bridge, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the Travel Horizons channel for more intriguing travel insights. Discover more with Travel Horizons.